Thank you for tuning in. This person on your screen is Aitana, a fitness model from Barcelona. 25 years old and love pink. Well, she is not a real person. For some people who don't know, this person is made from AI-generated images and the use of Photoshop. It's our job to use common sense and research before assuming. This is Aitana Instagram. This virtual model has earned thousands of dollars. Social media is where people seek to follow people's lives that are interesting. She was made to be just that, with the pink hair as Aitana's signature look. There has been celebrities in Aitana DMs. That's funny. Okay, look at these messages of non-celebs. Some of these people are clueless. So gorgeous, my crush. Aitana responds, "Thanks, baby." This is hilarious. If you want to find out if an account is real or fake, look for a clue such as, do this person wear earrings? If so, look for other pictures to see if there's a hole in the ear. Look at the ears, you don't see the hole in this picture. These pictures are not the same person. These here are not the same person also. When we focus and pay attention, we allow ourselves to catch the little things that can easily be missed. Another one is you always come across images of the fake model without both hands present. Always one hand out of frame. If you come across images with hands present, look to see if there's actual videos of that person in a public setting. These are the creators of Aitana. They are creative and they're making their money. Some may say they don't owe us common sense. They don't. And thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next one.